automatic surface parameters in Catia V5. So when you are using STL files in Catia and you want to define solid bodies, elements, it is really important to adjust the automatic surface parameters if you are using that. So let's go to shape, digitize shape editor. I will use the same STL, the Baby Yoda soup. So this will be the 3D model for the case study. I will need to use the mesh cleaner in order to clear those manifold vertices and edges. And now the mesh is ready for the automatic surface process. So let's go to shape, quick surface reconstruction. And over here we have the automatic surface. So first I will do an automatic surface for this STL. Let's go for surface details, something like 5000. So 5000 with a ratio of 90. I will uncheck the full internal tangency so that it will process faster. So let's click on preview and see the output. So this will be a 3D model with few details. So the surface detail only has 5000. And the mean surface deviation is 0.1. And if we will take a look at the 3D model will look like this. So we have many details lost in various areas. But let's also go and define this element as a closed surface. So from part design, I will choose the closed surface definition. And this will be the first element. Now, for the second one, I will unhide the Baby Yoda, the first STL, and I will go back to shape, quick surface reconstruction. Okay, so let's define the second one, the same mesh. I will add one more 0 at the end for the surface detail, so the model will be 10 times more detailed. And I will hit the preview. And let's see that model processing. As we add more detail, the processing time will take longer. And usually Catia will display that not responding. So this will be the second model. To visualize it better, I will define a new body. And I will copy this automatic surface 1. I will copy that and paste it in the second body, but I will paste it as a result. After that I will hide this automatic surface from the main body, and I will go and reposition this using the compass. So I will select the surface 1, I will translate the model over here, I will put the compass back. And again, we will go to mechanical design, part design, and we will close that surface. So I will uncheck the snap, close that surface. And now I can hide that, and I can compare it with the initial one. So this one, even though I added 10 more details, 10 times more, not 10 more details, 10 times more details, I see that the model still lacks. This is because I need to adjust also the mean deviation parameter and also the target. So let's define another one, close those two, hide them, not close, show the initial STL file, go back to start shape, quick surface reconstruction. And for this model, I will put 0.01 mean surface deviation. I will set a ratio to 99, and I will double the surface detail, so 10 instead of the 5. And let's see this model. It will take a bit longer to process now. Okay, so the model is still processing. I won't skip forward so that you can see exactly how much time does it take to process this automatic surface. This is one of the weak points of Catia V5, and other software can create it better. But still, Catia, other software specialize only on doing this, while Catia you can take it to part design, to demo kinematics, and do many other different things. So it's not a program that is specialized on STL file surfacing and stuff like that. It has this workbench, but it's not, let's say, a dedicated solution for this. So we see that the model is still being processed. It should finish in the following moments. And I want to put them side by side. So we had the initial one, then we added more details. Okay, so we see that we have reached a computational limit. The specified target ratio cannot be achieved with these parameters, even though it says that we can see the model over here. So it will be this automatic surface 3, and I will define a new body, and I will copy this and paste special as a result in a secondary body, so that I can then translate it with the compass easy. Okay, it should now extract the automatic surface, position it as a normal surface over here. So it did that just perfect. Now I will select this surface. I want to snap automatically to that surface, and I will want to translate this time to the left side. So this will be the translated position. Catia is still processing this translation. Okay, managed to update it. And now I will want to define that closed surface for this detailed mesh. Good. It should close the surface now. And after that I will hide the surface. I will keep only the solid body. And let's see the other solid body. So this will be, so we have the initial one, we can rename them. I will set it like this, the number of surface. Keep in mind that also the mean deviation has a strong influence for this, and the last closed body will have this name. So okay, so I hope you find this video useful, and keep in mind that it's really important to properly define those settings if you are using automatic surface. So for complex models like this, it's pretty much the best solution to use automatic surface. If you are doing other kind of reverse engineering, you can do that with other tools. Okay, so I hope that you find this video useful. If so, please leave me some comments in the comment section. And also, if there are other stuffs that you want to know about Catia and STL processing or other stuff, please let me know. Okay, see you in the next video.